A former director of the Tokyo Organizing Committee of the Olympic and Paralympic Games has been arrested on suspicion of accepting bribes. Prosecutors in Tokyo also arrested 3 others related to a clothing company that had sponsored the Tokyo Games on suspicion of bribery. The arrested individuals are former Organizing Committee executive Takahashi Haruyuki, former chairman and founder of business suit retailer Aoki Holdings Aoki Hironori, a former Aoki Holdings vice chairman, as well as a former president at a subsidiary company. Prosecutors suspect that Aoki's side asked Takahashi to provide favors in relation to sponsorship and licensing contracts. Takahashi is suspected of having Aoki send money totaling 51 million yen, or about $380,000, to his firm's account. He's said to have denied any wrongdoing.